If you're eager to see who's been following you lately on Instagram, you might have noticed that the platform no longer makes this easy. Previously, Instagram displayed your most recent followers at the top of your follower list, allowing you to quickly spot new fans. However, since 2021, Instagram has shifted to a randomized order for follower lists, making it impossible to view your most recent followers directly from your profile. This change was implemented to enhance privacy and limit automated tracking, but it does present a challenge if you want to keep tabs on your latest audience. So, what are your options? The simplest built-in method is to rely on Instagram notifications. When you receive a new follower, Instagram typically notifies you in real time. By regularly checking your notifications tab, you can catch the names of users as they follow you. This approach works best for those with smaller followings, as high-profile accounts might receive too many notifications to keep track. For those managing larger accounts or looking for more detailed insights, third-party tools and browser extensions like Snoop Report have emerged. These services promise to track new followers and provide analytics about their activity. While tempting, it's important to be cautious. Using third-party apps can violate Instagram's terms of service and potentially put your account at risk of restriction or suspension. Always review the permissions and risks before connecting any external service to your Instagram account. In summary, while Instagram doesn't offer a native way to see your most recent followers, you can still monitor them through notifications or, if you're willing to accept the risks, with third-party tracking tools. Remember to prioritize your account's security and privacy as you explore these options.